Is your 2011-2012 Infiniti G25 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your G25 key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard size and widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Using the correct battery type ensures proper function and prevents damage. Avoid cheaper, unbranded batteries, which can leak or cause malfunctions. You'll only need a few basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized keyring tool, often included with new batteries, to gently pry open the key fob casing. Have a soft cloth handy to protect the fob from scratches. No soldering or specialized tools are required. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually along the sides or back. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam and gently pry the two halves apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent breaking the clips. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. The battery replacement is complete. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons near your G25. Look for the car's lights to flash or horn to honk as confirmation. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up inside the fob. If issues persist, the key fob may need reprogramming. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine, then press the lock button 10 times within 10 seconds. Corrosion is a common issue in key fobs, appearing as white or greenish residue that builds up on battery contacts and the circuit board. This residue prevents proper electrical contact and can cause the fob to stop working correctly. To address corrosion, gently clean affected areas with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This removes the residue and restores proper contact. Always ensure the alcohol evaporates completely before reassembling the fob to avoid any moisture damage. Proper disposal of the old CR2032 battery is crucial for safety and environmental responsibility. Take it to an e-waste recycling center or a designated battery collection point. Lithium batteries can be hazardous if punctured, crushed, or exposed to fire. They contain flammable materials that can cause fires or explosions. Always handle them carefully and never dispose of them in regular household trash. While DIY battery changes remain relevant for older models like the G25, newer vehicles increasingly use smart keys with rechargeable batteries or smartphone integration. As technology advances, traditional key fobs may become less common. However, knowing how to replace your G25 key fob battery remains a valuable skill for now.